everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share Masala Buttermilk recipe. This will be so tasty friends and it will be so refreshing for this summer. We used to enjoy this masala drink at our childhood. So I am going to share this drink in this video. Here I am going to use curry leaves, cumin seeds, ginger, coriander leaves, green chilies and lemon, sliced lemon. Firstly, I'm going to grind this. Here I'm using curd. Firstly, I'm going to grind. We can grind it in a mixer jar also. Firstly, I'm going to grind all this in this stone blender. So here I planned for 10 glasses friends. So I'm using this much amount of ginger and 2 green chilies. If you are planning for 4 glasses, 1 small inch of ginger and half green chili is enough friends. So firstly we have to grind it into the paste like this, not too smooth. Roughly we have to grind it. So 1 spoon is enough for 4 glasses. For 4 glasses of buttermilk we need 1 cup of curd. I'm going to grind in a mixer jar. Here I used 1 spoon for 4 glasses. Actually I planned for 10 glasses, so I used that much amount of ginger and green chilies. And for 4 glasses it is enough. 1 cup and 1 spoon is enough. I'm adding salt and I'm going to squeeze lemon. I used 3 cups of curd for the whole amount of that paste. So masala buttermilk is ready now. We can enjoy it coolly by adding ice cubes in it. So refreshing summer drink is ready now. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share, comment our videos.